All right, today we are going to solve an equation that has one fraction in it, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do it. Before we start, though, I want to review something. So take a look over here where I have 3/8 times p. When the letter is right next to the fraction, that means multiplication. It also means we can take whatever's on the side there and move it to the top. So 3/8 times p is the same thing as 3p/8, or 3 times p/8. The same thing down here, I have w divided by 2 times 9. The 9's on the side, so I can move it to the top. Proper math, you put it in front of the letter. So 9 times w over 2. Now, we're going to use that same method when we do this problem. So let's read it first. We have 5/7 times x equals -4. The first thing I'm going to do is what we just did over here. I'm going to take this x and move it to the top. So now I have 5x/7 equals -4. Is everybody okay there? So I just move the x to the top. Now on the left side of the equal sign, I have a fraction. So what I want to do next is make the right side a fraction. How do we make -4 a fraction? We just put a 1 underneath it. Now we have a fraction equal to a fraction, and that's a proportion. And how do we solve proportions? By cross multiplying. So that's what we're going to do next. So I have 5x times 1, which is 5x. Then I'm going to bring down my equal sign. And then I've got 7 times -4. A positive times a negative is a negative. 7 times 4 is 28. So all I did was 5x times 1, 7 times -4. Am I done with this problem? Well, right now I've got 5 times x equals -28, but we're asked to solve for x, so I don't want 5 times x. How do we get rid of the 5? They're multiplying in the problem, so we're going to divide. And what's 5 divided by 5? Yes, it's 1. So those are gone, and I'm left with x equals a negative divided by a positive is a negative. And how many 5s can fit into 28? 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 5 is 25. That leaves me with 3 extras. So how many 5s fit in there? 5 of them. And we had 3 extras. You put that over the denominator. And we're done. If this was helpful, I hope you'll subscribe and please share.